What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so actually before we start, if you remember a lot of videos ago, you'll remember that my room is flooding, or was flooding, and I have a wall again. This wall was completely torn out and everything when the flood water came through. It destroyed it. I just got this today, so that's pretty cool. Speaking of flooding, today's video also includes some flooding, not of my room, thank God, but of Brandon's new car. So we decided to take Brandon's new car to a very infamous off-roading spot. Oh, I'm falling over. That has been known to hydrolock a lot of motors. It is called Triangle Beach. It's not a big spot. It's not insanely crazy or anything, but there's a lot of big puddles, and that's kind of why we decided to go. And you'll see what happens in the video. Anyways, guys, it's going to be a bit choppy. I was recording on my phone the whole time like I am right now, but there was some points where I was hitting record and then I'd stop recording by accident but keep talking, and if it's choppy, I apologize, but yeah, enjoy. Hello, Arthur.
What's up?
Hi, Squib.
Hey.
Hi, Rose.
Hey.
Casual. Brandon, explain to the people what this car is.
Welcome to Beater Wars 2019.
Yep.
We're gonna set off by.
You might want to turn your music down for a sec.
With my most recent purchase,
It's his brand new car.
1993 Chrysler New Yorker Fifth Avenue edition.
It's a couch.
Yes, yes.
It's a beautiful machine. Basically, we're gonna set this off
okay?
at Triangle Beach. So
Yeah, we're going off-roading.
yeah.
Latch.
Rose, you good?
No, dude, I'm not.
Okay, that's good.
Oh. All right.
All right.
This is done for the night already.
So luckily we have Damien's Tacoma here just in case we get stuck. This is a decently popular.
Back into my car. I don't know. So I saw a couple of Jeeps.
Hey,
out of the door.
Rose, are you in?
Oh no, it's fine.
Rose, are you in?
I'm in.
Okay, Jack, the door needs. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is, like Brandon said, this is his Chrysler New Yorker. We'll go over it more.
Oh no. Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh no! Oh, the trunk's open. Oh my god. So yeah, you can't tell, but the trunk opens and closes. Wow. Subtle. Very subtle. Wish us luck, boys. That's a big ass rock.
Oh sh.
Yeah, dude.
Oh.
Your window up. You wanted to go up.
Windows have to go up.
Yeah.
Windows going out. Do you want me to go ahead and scout this out?
Hold on, Damien's doing it. Yeah. That's very sketchy.
Let's go.
On the left, on the left.
Left side.
Do not get high centered, please, for the love of God.
Holy fuck. What? Okay. Okay. Oh god.
Oh,
Okay, maybe let's go up here. That looks good.
that looks all.
That's very just straight water.
Oh,
my god. You wanted to go off-roading. Welcome to off-roading.
This is exactly what I wanted.
Oh,
I
yeah.
felt that with my feet.
Oh yeah.
That's fine.
Tell me if there's any water. I'm trying to get views. Oh, there's water. I can't record through it though. It's too purple.
Oh,
Left.
Not left.
Oh, there's a lot of water here. You can go down this way. Roll your window up, Brendan. I can't.
It is up.
It doesn't go up anymore. Okay. We can go on the right side.
Right side.
Everybody shut the up.
This is just gonna be a lot. This is just gonna be a lot of recording the back of Brandon's head. Oh my god.
That was really deep.
Very deep.
Oh god.
Oh, we might get high center door.
Oh, just a little bit.
Reach in the trunk, there might be something there. This is a
What was that? Oh, that's the ground.
Oh, it's not that far. Okay, so we're currently trying to figure out how to strap up the Tacoma to the New Yorker. Right there, New Yorker. What? Yeah. Oh, okay. Rose is currently shirtless trying to find the tow point, or tow hook point. This is very good. 2 minutes into New Yorker and Triangle Beach, and
Just beached.
this happens.
Hey, we could tie her on the muffler.
What muffler?
What am I feeling here?
Probably the end of the exhaust? Or is that way farther out?
There's no way to touch the exhaust.
Is there like, can you find the control
I can
arm?
look onto this, but I don't know what this is.
What about the control arms?
Hey, as long as you don't drop the tank over there.
Yeah, that's way over here, man.
Oh, yeah, I forgot how big the back end of this thing
This
is.
thing is still airing out.
I need a hook.
Yeah, that's the scary part too.
Oh wait,
What?
is that the strut? No, it's not. It can't be.
No, that's not the
that's
strut.
all the way
This
over here,
sucks
man.
full of water.
He opened the door.
Oh no.
This was a great idea.
It fully.
Dumbass idea.
Dude, this is not even the worst one. Did you see the next one?
Yeah, the next one's way worse.
No, you can turn left and you can go up this hill.
Yeah.
I was worried you were going to start with the hill. I was like, oh,
I saw that hill, I was like, oh, that looks pretty bad. I don't know. And now we're here.
Here we are.
Thanks for coming out.
wait, is there anything on the front? There's got to be tow hook.
There will be a tow
Jesus.
Well, I can
Somebody passed me a big rock.
A big rock.
I can blow a hole through the grill and wrap it around the front bumper.
There's
That's
4x4 piece of wood.
That might work.
oh, holy.
Okay. Watch out, Travis.
What?
Pass me the tow strap.
Get the tow strap. Get the tow strap, Rose. In the trunk. In the trunk. In the trunk.
Yeah, front.
Yeah, come around the front.
What are you guys going through? So the bar that connects the front bumper to the chassis.
Yeah. Are you good, Brandon? Good as you'll ever be.
Lots to go.
Slow.
Yeah, you're getting there. You're close.
About a foot. Okay, stop. Okay, very slow now. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, he's out.
What a success!
Oh my god.
Ready?
Rose. Oh no.
Oh my god, that's
Did no one bring tools?
No.
Oh, we did it!
Hey! Gas, gas, hard gas. Full gas, full gas, full gas. Yeah! I think he's just trying to clear the water. It's clear. Just make sure it doesn't die. Yeah! Oh my god. Fantastic. Hey. Fantastic.
Nice work.
So, quick battle wound. Brandon, do the honors.
That's my tie down point there, as you can see. It's pretty solid.
Yeah, it's hard to see because of the light. Oh yeah, right there,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
rebar.
Yeah. So we're not gonna need this anymore. Oh, it's fiberglass. Oh, watch out! There's a lot of fibers. Oh, back away! Don't breathe!
Don't breathe, don't breathe, don't breathe. Nice. There's a lot of big rocks here. Blue pen's good, bye bye.
Yeah, you're not even. Your body's not even in the water.
Eh,
Now it's touching a tiny bit.
it picks back up though. Go.
Good.
We're good.
Nice.
You could have driven straight through. 100%.
Now we know.
Corner wheel here. Nice for New Yorker. I'm surprised he didn't bend a rod. Yeah. It does have a very long stick.
Yes, that's okay though.
Okay, throw it away.
We're all in the car, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Wait, are we giving her the corn through here?
Yeah.
Oh God.
All right.
Wait.
Are you going like straight through or to the side of it? Straight through.
Yes.
Don't die on me, baby.
Put it
Come
in
back,
neutral,
come back,
rev
come
it. Put it in neutral and rev it. Don't open your doors.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's
Nope. Nope.
No, that's just break up. Just rev it hard, hard, hard.
I am.
That's it? Is that all she's got? Oh. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Yes! She's picking up!
She's still going though.
Alright, we're not sending it through any more puddles.
Yeah, no.
Well, except for when
Oh, your fender liner is currently sitting on your wheel, by the way. Yeah.
That's what's up.
It's Ah. There's water in the. So what should he do? Rev it up.
It sounds pretty good now.
But how's it reacting when you let off the gas though?
I'm gonna find out. Nope. Now I am.
Nice!
Let's get up.
Fucking same. Still bent, but the same.
Oh.
All right.
We made another one. Jesus. Oh man, your primer got messed up.
We did it.
We made it!
Jesus.
it's a Chrysler. I can't keep it with a Jeep.
Well, we're
This
not.
thing's gonna be at my work tomorrow. And I'm gonna be like, what the?
So we broke down. It's no bueno. We don't know what's going on. So we're currently trying to figure out how to get it out. We think Damien's just gonna tow us the whole way out to the end and then call a tow truck. She'll live to see another day, maybe. Piece of shit.
Yep.
Keep going. Okay,
Yeah.
you're pulling.
Here we go.
Go fast. He said go fast.
Fast. Wait, hold on, boys. Go! 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 Go!
We're going left, Brandon, left. Ah, it's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, right. This is wild.
We try to keep it a little interesting.
Go like this.
A little bit.
Watch your head, Travis.
Thanks for the warning.
What if I sing it? Can you play that?
No, please don't sing. I'm not worried about the copyright strike. I'm worried about my ears bleeding.
back in the motherland crossing the border.
Wow, you said something that I might be able to keep in a video for once. You guys probably can't hear it, but he's blasting All Night Long, I think, by AC/DC. I believe that's what it's called.
Yeah, see, this is the we're gonna remember. This is
absolutely.
This is gonna be funny eventually.
This is still funny. What are you talking about?
hilarious.
This is funny right now.
All I see is smiles.
True.
Even from Brandon.
Yeah. But that might just be the fumes.
Yeah. Oh, my back. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Holy. Hey, are we back on pavement? Yeah. Woo! We're good now, boys.
Made it.
Just rip him through all of this. Brandon's jamming.
What a track.
Don't slam on the brakes. This guy in the red truck's gonna be like, what the hell is going on? What? I was waving. Hey, fella.
Okay.
Nice. That's some. Oh, sorry. Stonks, dude. Stonks.
Go on.
So, yeah, they're here. They're picking us up. Oil pan looks okay, surprisingly.
Oil pan took some nasty hits.
It looks alright. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Just note, the New Yorker is completely fine. That is literally the point of it. It is a beater car. That is why we call it Beater Wars. Rose has a beater. Brandon has a beater. So I'm thinking maybe I should get a beater. But let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments. As per usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just